Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I'll be showing you how to install WhatsApp on Huawei Mate X6. Let's begin. Now for this we'll have to dive deep into the web, my friends. But we won't be using... I have no idea what this is, so let's just get ourselves a new... Oh, sure. We are going to just go into official WhatsApp website and we can search for a WhatsApp Android download. As you can see, we have our official website here. We can accept or decline cookies, that's your choice. And in here, since there's no legal way for you to download it from the Google Play, though you always can just use Gbox if you want. But for purpose of this tutorial, I'll be showcasing this method, and all you have to do is just press download WhatsApp directly, then hit download, and then as you can see, it is now on our download list. And after it's done downloading, we can simply press our notification. So in a moment, we just hit that. That's funny. Okay. We want to allow my browser to install this app. And as you can see, no threats has been found, and we can simply press install. And the installation is successful. So now we can press open and we can just use WhatsApp now. And that's all for this video. If you found it helpful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.